Hi guys, I want to do a quick collection update on my lighter collection here in Brazil. So I have two mini penguin Cygnus. There's a guy on YouTube, Dependable Flame, does a really good reviews on penguin lighters. I've really enjoyed collecting them over the last few months. I've been really lucky. This I lost, and it was in my friend's car and he found it again. And I always thought when I had it that it was silver. But I only realized that it was champagne color when I put it next to my mini Cygnus here. That's silver or aluminium. And I realized that then is champagne and this is the gold. So I have all three. And the gold is the Pan Am version. Really good lighters, these. I love them, how light they are, and they kind of remind me of a Rimowa suitcase. But anyway, this is a Benson Golmet. These are great as well. But see, the roller is small at the top, different to the roller type on the penguins. This is a rare black one. It's missing the cap at the bottom, unfortunately. But it's quite an unusual diamond pattern. They need fluid. I haven't been using them for a long time. These are a couple of GS Kings butane lighters, Chinese, 1960s. These are nice little butterfly and a fish. Bit of rust, corrosion, but you know, they work. This is a very interesting one. This is a copy of a ST Dupont from the 60s. This is old, but the fluid version. I love this lighter. Feels nice. I have the original Dupont next to it that needs repair. That's a gas lighter, and that's going to be sent off for repair eventually. This is a German lighter, battery powered with a filament. These are really weird. This is a nice little one, a little spark plug. Needs fluid, but great little conversation piece, Bosch. This is a Prince rotary lighter from Japan. I spent a long time getting the mechanism sorted on it, but great little lighter. Managed to get the spark working. It wasn't sparking correctly with the clutch. And then these, you've probably seen these before. The camera lighters. Probably needs fluid as well. But yeah, these are great fun. Anyway, I then have a Bergman, like a roller gas type that needs repair. Brazilian, they call a Binga lighter. Lift arm. We have this Ibello, Germany. Needs fluid. But I love the black and gold on that. It looks so vintage, looks so cool. A battery lighter. A Prince from the 70s. This, sadly, is beyond repair. Sent it to a guy and couldn't do anything about it, but it's leaking out the top. I just love the quality of it. The finish of the Chinese lacquer is fantastic. This is a modern copy of a line one. Great lighter from China, very cheap off AliExpress. And a vintage one here. This, I think, is China. Yeah, just says made in China on it. It works. It's interesting. It's different. And then have a few Zippos. Just a plain one. These from the 60s, a Chesterfield. These are great. I love the vintage look from 1912. Has the vintage 60s. Doesn't shut very well though, but that's typical Zippo, right? And then here is a brass Jack Daniel's Zippo with a bronze insert. That's a nice lighter from about 1998. And then a few pens. Got some a nice Parker pen here for the pen fans out there. These are great. The Insignia. A couple of Parker 45s. And then this is a Tiffany solid silver made in Germany fountain pen. This is white gold nib. It's a beautiful pen, that is. Found that on my travels. And a Gucci from the 60s as well, called a Bamboo. Line 1 from about 1957. This again, butane lighter, one of the very first. It just works every time. Bang, you know. No messing around. ST Dupont. Can't be beaten. This is a Gatsby from my friend in the south of Brazil, Paulo. Big collector. He's got over 1,000 lighters. And I did a deal with him. Swapped him a couple of lighters that he needed for his collection. And I picked up this beautiful Gatsby. Then I have a Dunhill roller light, the mini version. This is really nice as well. So smooth. Needs fluid. But classic lighter, that. The Ronson Typhoon. Needs a bit of fluid. Oh no, it's going. It reminds me of a Jeep, the front of it, with the windproof bit. It's quite nice not to be engraved. Usually they're engraved. My Dunhill Lapis Lazuli from 1980. Beautiful lighter. Cost me a lot of money from Sakib in London. Fully serviced and just my most reliable lighter. This is a Cartier. I have box and papers with this. This is a needs gas. This is the Cartier Le Must in silver. Beautiful lighter. Really think that's classy. It's in good condition. From 1982. Born in Geneva. Sold in Geneva, or born in Geneva, I suppose. Yeah, that's where I was born originally. And this is a Mexican solid silver lift arm from 1947. It's been engraved, made in Taxco. Such a reliable lighter, just every time. No messing around. JB initials, maybe James Bond, who knows. But that's solid silver. That's a lovely lighter. And I have a few more that are being serviced at the minute. This is a Omega made in Japan. Just have to sort of snap it to get it going. There you go, it went. Just have to have the knack of it. But probably needs a bit of fluid as well. Huh? One more time. There we go. That's the Omega. What's nice is it doesn't shut, so you can offer the lighter to your friend to light their cigarette. And this is a Ronson from the 50s gas lighter, made in England. Again, it needs a bit of a service on the wheel. These are quite old now. But still, collectible piece. Got the original box, which is nice. But yeah, that's my my lighter collection here in Brazil. Hope you enjoy the video.